Okay, organic veggies from my kitchen garden. And
I'm so dark, got me weak when I wake up on a weekend when I'm not missed out. What a shame you only know my name. What a show, call off your circus. All your jokes come off so ruthless. Bye bye, you can miss me with that shit. I think of you when I'm intoxicated.
hello family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I appreciate once more that you have come back to support my content. It is a good afternoon, let me call it an evening. I want to do some laundry of bed covers and sheets here and there. I'm going to use my machine because I don't have, there are very few, but I'll still use the machine. I like to do this when I have a lot of bulk, but this time because of the baby I will just throw them in the machine and let it do its work. How have you been? Thanks for coming back to support my content. If you're new, please consider subscribing, and if you're returning, thank you so much for always coming back. Already I gave you a review of this machine. It is an LG machine, top loader, 16 kg. You can get it at Hot Point or any other source. It has not given me any problems. I really like it. I also washed my baby sweaters. The kids are going to school, so I washed them with my hand. I hand washed them, that is. So I'm hanging them here in this balcony. They will be ready for use by tomorrow. So this vlog is about spending time with me in the evenings. So I'll be doing batch cooking of vegetables that I harvested. This is pigweed. Already I removed the dirt of it. I'll be washing it and storing it in batches. I also have beans that have been cooked. I will also be I'll be storing them in my freezer. What I love about organic veggies, you can never go wrong because you already know the type of fertilizer that you have used. Therefore, it is very safe. So I'll use running water to wash them in my sink. I'll wash in one side and rinse in the other side. So let's do this. I want to show you how I wash them.
You're pulling on my walls down. I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping closed. Being hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name.
I recently tried going commercial on some of my veggies, especially the kales, because I have a surplus. But for the pigweed, I have not gone commercial yet. I use it for my own home consumption. So I hope maybe in future I might also sell to other people.
I'm so dark, got me weak when I wake up on a weekend when I'm not missed out. What a shame you only know my name. What a show, call off your circus. All your jokes come off so ruthless. Bye bye, you can miss me with that shit. I think of you when I'm intoxicated.
these containers, I bought them from China Square. They have really helped me to sort my veggies and my grains in the freezer, so I chose to use these ones. They are different sizes, so it depends on you and how much you want to store. I'll keep these not for so long because I will just be pulling and using immediately. So for the beans, I will just use big containers. This one is one of them. I will put a portion here because sometimes when I go to church, I need a larger quantity of package. So this container is what I'm going to use for the beans plus one more.
Whenever you get lost, I will be there for you. I'll pick you up when you are down, down. I will hold on tight and I will make it right. Forever I will be right by your side. Oh, I'll never let you down. All my life I will be there for you. Ooh, I'll always be around when you need someone to carry you. If you're looking for someone to hold, I'll be there to pull you close. Oh, I'll never let you down.
This container I am holding sometimes allows soup to seep through, so I'm being innovative on how to prevent this. So I got a lid I will put inside here so that the soup does not leak out into the freezer. Nani kama mama, I am a very, very bright person.
All my life I will be there for you. Yeah. Ooh, I'll never let you down. All my life I will be there for you. Ooh, I'll always be around.
Abby is here. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today, let me just take her. Today we want to do some cooking of traditional veggies, okay, organic veggies from my kitchen garden. And I have pumpkin leaves and mchicha, that's what I want to mix. And we eat it with sima and maziwa, mala. Alright, so let's get to the video. That's going to be our vlog for today. Say hello, guys. Hello. Hello. Say my hello. Yeah, hello. Let's get to the video, guys. If you're new, please consider subscribing. If you're returning, thank you so much for always supporting my content. I appreciate. Mimi ni mama nyumbani, as always, is the place of homemaking videos. You are in the right place. Clap. Clap your hands for the audience. Clap for the returning viewers. Yeah. Clap for them. Clap. Yeah. Thank you. Let's do this, guys.
I know it's on the night, and you're gonna love it. We've been waiting to move, and I'm going slow. Let's hit the road and make it up as we go. Oh, let's go.
So for the organic veggies, I'll be using these onions from my kitchen garden. I really love their taste. These green onions. I'll also be using tomatoes I got from my kitchen garden.
It's all we need. We've been busy sleeping. We could live our dream and take like it's right. Just go with the feeling. Take my hand. We'll ruin our plans. We'll leave it all behind. We gotta leave tonight. Get away. Feeling kinda reckless when you're here with me. Baby, say the word and we can disappear. We run all the lights to our getaway. Oh, you're my getaway. Let's get away. Seeing all the damage that we need to leave. And if we make it out.
I chose this non-stick sufuria because I love the way it just lets the oil into the veggies and not to stick on the sufuria itself. You can also try these sufurias if you like them, well and good, but I mix both these and the others, especially for ugali. I don't see myself cooking in these, by the way. I don't know how you guys manage to cook in these non-stick pots, but for me, I love my ugali coming out and sticking on that sufuria, and then I have to eat that African cake that remains. So the baby wanted attention, and I have to breastfeed her at this point before I continue to cut my veggies. These are pigweed, and I'm going to just cut them through and through because I love them very, very small in size. The babies love them small in size and not very, very big in size. Today I don't have milk. I decided to try mala on my veggies. Let me see how it tastes. I will give you feedback in my next video. I'll also be cooking some eggs for my babies after this. They are hens. I have chicken. I love to do farming of all types, so I'll be cooking the eggs for my kids because they love to enjoy the eggs even with simmer most of the time. One thing about organic eggs, they are very, very yellow and yummy. You will like them. I hope you have tried organic eggs. Kienyeji mayai. So it is time to eat. Our egg is ready, our veggies, of course our simmer was ready. This is how simple our recipes are. We don't do so many spices in our meals. If you have watched all my videos, I love to keep it as natural as possible. If I have to use spices, I usually use natural ginger, garlic, turmeric, and all the other spices together. Even the pilau, I love to crush it myself when I'm making pilau. I do not know how you do your cooking. Sometimes you can give me ideas on how to improve my recipes as well. I will appreciate so much.
Say what you wanna say to me.